What's up everyone and welcome back to another video in our channel. Did your Google Pixel start lagging or overheating after the March 2026 update? Maybe the phone feels warmer than usual, apps open slower, or even the interface stutters when scrolling. This can happen after major Android updates because the system is still rebuilding background processes, updating apps, and optimizing files. So in most cases, the problem disappears within a few hours or after a few simple fixes. In this video, I'll show you safe steps to reduce lag and overheating on Pixel phones after an update without deleting your data. Let's start with the first thing you should check, which is give your phone time to finish background optimization. Right after installing a major update, Android begins running several background tasks. These include the app optimization, system indexing, and security scanning. During this process, the phone may feel warmer and performance can temporarily drop. If you just install the update, wait for about 30 minutes for a few hours while the phone finishes these tasks. You can also check the Play Store and update any pending apps. Once these background processes finish, performance usually returns to normal. Now if not, and of course after waiting, you need to restart your Pixel. A simple restart can clear temporary processes that remain active after an update. Just press and hold your power button, tap restart, and wait for the phone to power off and start again. Restarting the device refreshes system services and can reduce both lag and heat generation. After that, use the phone normally for a few minutes and check if performance improves. Now if not, sometimes lag or overheating is caused by apps that aren't optimized for the new Android version yet, so check for app updates. Just open the Google Play Store. Tap your profile icon in the top corner, then select Manage Apps and Device. Then tap Update All. Updating apps ensures they are compatible with the latest Android system and can fix performance issues. Once updates finish installing, restart the phone again for best results. If your Pixel continues to overheat, let's check battery usage, because a specific app might be using too much power in the background. Just open Settings, then go to Battery. Open Battery Usage and look through the list of apps and check if one app is using an unusually large amount of battery. If you see an app consuming excessive power, consider closing it, restricting background activity, or even updating the app. Reducing background activity often helps lower device temperature. Now, after a system update, some apps may store outdated cache files that affect performance, so let's clear system cache on the app level. All you have to do is open Settings, then tap on Apps. Select the app that feels slow or causes lag, then open Storage and Cache on that app. Tap Clear Cache. Clearing cache removes temporary files without deleting your data, so doing this for a few problematic apps can improve overall performance. And of course, if the lag or overheating started immediately after the March update, Google may release a small patch update. Just open your settings, tap System, then System Update. Check if a newer update is available and install it if possible. Minor updates often fix bugs discovered after the main update rollout. And that's how you fix Pixel lag or overheating after the March 2026 update. Most of the time, the phone just needs time to finish background optimization. But restarting the device and updating apps can also make a big difference. If your Pixel is still overheating or lagging, please leave a comment with your Pixel model and Android version, and I'll try to help you out. And for more quick Android fixes and troubleshooting, guys, please like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.